Hi everyone, this is a tutorial for making shrimp wonton using wheat protein instead of flour. And these are ingredients that we're gonna use today. Let's get started. Pour the protein into the mixing bowl. Spread it from the middle to the outside. Crack an egg into the middle of the bowl. Mix them together while rotating the bowl. Add a warm water little by little. Continue mixing until the dough is no longer sticking to the bowl. If you add too much water, the dough will stick to the bowl just like this. It's okay, just add a little more wheat protein and continue mixing. Now, the dough is no longer sticking to the bowl. We'll use our palm to knead the dough for around 10 minutes. The dough will be more sticky and resist your hand. Let the dough rest in the bowl and cover it for 30 minutes. While waiting, we can make the soup. Come back to the dough. Sprinkle the protein all over the mat. Put the dough on the mat. Roll and straighten it to make it longer. Cut the dough into small pieces about 1 cubic inch. all the small pieces back into the bowl and cover it. Stretch our little dough to gather this shape. Roll the dough using bread roller or wide bottom to make it thinner. Make the edge thinner than the center. Like see-through fabric. Roll the remaining dough and prepare the filling. Here are the instructions. For the English version, go to the description below. It's time to add the filling. Add the filling into the center of the wonton and then float it. Use water as a binder. Let's make some snack too. You can make banana wonton by putting banana inside and then bake it or fry it. After that, we're gonna boil our shrimp wonton. Boil it about 5 minutes or until it floats, add some veggies and put them into the bowl with some soup. And here, our shrimp wonton.